Let me tell you something most people never notice. The words you use in small moments decide how people measure you in big ones. One careless phrase, and you shrink your presence. One intentional phrase, and you elevate it instantly. Today, I'm going to show you 8 subtle responses that quietly increase respect. And the last one is the one that changes everything. First, when someone says, "Thank you," most people reply, "You're welcome." Harmless, right? But listen closely. "You're welcome" closes the exchange. Instead, say, "It was my pleasure," or "You can always count on me." One sounds neutral, the other signals value. You are not just accepting gratitude, you are reinforcing reliability. Second, when you arrive late, most people say, "Sorry, I'm late." That frames you as the problem. Instead, say, "Thank you for waiting. I appreciate your patience." Do you feel the shift? You transform guilt into gratitude. Psychologically, gratitude uplifts the other person. Apology lowers you. Leadership is often just reframing. Third, when someone asks what you want to eat and you say, "Whatever," that sounds indifferent, passive. Replace it with, "You choose, I trust your taste." Now it sounds intentional. Confidence is not controlling everything. It is choosing when to delegate. Fourth, if someone asks whether you know how to do something, don't say, "I don't know." Say, "I can learn it quickly." The first response ends possibility. The second creates momentum. Capability is attractive. Willingness is powerful. Fifth, if you genuinely don't know the answer, don't say, "No idea." Instead, say, "That's interesting. What do you think?" Notice the difference. You move from ignorance to curiosity. Well-placed humility builds respect. Defensive uncertainty weakens it. Sixth, when someone compliments you, most people deflect it. "Oh, it's nothing. It wasn't a big deal." Stop doing that. Say, "Thank you. That means a lot." Receiving praise calmly is strength. If you cannot accept value, people assume you don't have it. Seventh, if a guest says, "There's too much food," don't apologize. Say, "You deserve to enjoy it." Generosity does not require defense. When you own your kindness, it becomes dignified. And now the most important one. Stop speaking carelessly. Every word either builds your presence or quietly erodes it. Language shapes perception. Perception shapes influence. This is not manipulation. It is awareness. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily that we control our judgments. And your words are judgments spoken out loud. Master your language, and you master how the world responds to you. Because power is rarely about volume. It is about precision. If this made you more aware of how you speak, subscribe to the Stoic Path. Here we refine the mind, we sharpen discipline, and we learn how to move through the world with quiet authority. Choose your words carefully. They are revealing who you are before you ever say who you are.